All right, we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in, and I am right outside Lal Killa. Let's tell you about how Delhi is voting. Delhi is headed to polls. Voting is picking up by 3 p.m. and that's the latest figure from the Election Commission. The overall turnout is at 46.5%. Some areas are seeing a surge in terms of brisk voting. Others seem to be lagging behind a little. As far as areas are concerned, Delhi's Mustafabad has seen the highest turnout of about 56.12%. Lowest turnout is in Delhi's Karol Bagh at 39%. Telling you all about the voter turnout in the national capital at an average of about 46.5%. The highest voter turnout in terms of areas is in Delhi's Mustafabad, and the lowest turnout is in Karol Bagh. As far as the figures are concerned, at 56.12%, the people in Mustafabad, Delhi constituency, Delhi Assembly constituency are voting pretty briskly, and the lowest turnout seems to be in Karol Bagh, which is at 39%. I'm going to go straight across to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, what is it that you're picking up as far as 46.5% the figure is concerned? I mean, give us an idea about what could be an expected figure in just some time from now. What's been the pattern really in so many years?
You know, if we speak about 2020, Sneha, then let me tell you, it was 60%. That was the voting percentage that we saw almost 5 years back. And with regards to the data that we can see at the moment, from what we are seeing, it's almost 46% at the moment. And in the next couple of hours, because see, the final data only comes at about 11 in the night. So the Election Commission also very closely is looking at it, and they are hoping that this figure will at least reach 60%. There's a reason why it's been kept on a Wednesday, because they understood that if you keep it very close to the weekend, it will turn into a long weekend and people will not turn up to vote. But you can see, you know, just showing you, people are still trickling in at the moment, and you will be able to see that the people are coming in and making sure that these people are in the queue. Let me also tell you what the rule says. If the voting stops at 6 o'clock, even if you walk inside a voting booth at about 5:55 p.m., that time also you will be allowed to vote, because that is what the rule says. So even if you believe that you are a little late, just make sure that somehow you enter the booth before 6 o'clock, and the Election Commission, the officers here will make sure that you are able to cast your vote. We are expecting, Sneha, at about 60%. That's the voting that the Commission at the moment is expecting. And if it will be more than that, then it will obviously be a very good sign, because the national capital, Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Hyderabad, these are the places where we have traditionally seen the voters not stepping out. But this time, it seems like the national capital, Delhi, will buck that trend.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. It's very interesting. I just couldn't help but smile when you said that they've chosen Wednesday, given that everybody would want an extended weekend if it's on a Friday. So that was a strategic move, maybe rightfully so, because urban, empathy and voters' lack of apathy and lack of interest in voting is something that we've seen in the past as well.